Grandma's garlic and honey cough remedy that still works. Forget drugstore cough syrup. Grandma had a secret recipe that worked like magic. She'd crush fresh garlic, mix it with raw honey, and let it sit overnight. By morning, a golden syrup packed with natural antibiotics. Just one spoonful soothed a sore throat, eased a stubborn cough, and boosted immunity. No chemicals, no side effects. These old-time remedies weren't just tradition, they were wisdom. Like, share, and follow for more secrets from Grandma's Kitchen. Please subscribe.